conditions that people exist in, stick huts that are like a large doghouse, a single room with a dirt floor, hike a couple of hours one way for water, kids not in school because their parents are making them hike to get water. You have cesspools that goats are urinating in, and kids are getting water out of it.
The choice that they have to make is either I can die from lack of water, or I can die from drinking this, or maybe I can get through just another day.
There's truly no way to describe what we see.
We didn't have any idea what we were getting into. You knew you were on planet Earth, but you just couldn't comprehend how people could exist like this.
You come down here with a mission. I mean, and the mission obviously is to punch holes in this island and get the people fresh water.
Although I may give my life to trying to help the Haitians living on Gonave, I'm very well aware that it may not be enough, but I'm still willing to do it.